Hey guys, it is Fire Alarm 32 here, and I know I haven't posted a fire alarm video in a couple years, but I just found out they're going to be testing the fire alarm system here in my apartment complex, so I'll try to get a good video of that. They have wall-mount spectral advances, and they have BG12 pull stations, but I'll go walk around the hallway first so we can get a good look at that. And I don't know what sound they're going to be on since I'm not conducting the test, so I'm assuming it's going to be in code 3. But I can find out when they test the building across from us. They're testing the south building first. So once that goes off, I'll try to record it from the outside so we can see what it looks like from the outside, how loud it is from the outside. And then once it sets off here, I'll walk around the hallway and try to get a good video of that. Yeah, so they have ADT BG12 pull stations, and they have spectral advances. And I learned it's going to be a walk test. So, yeah. So we'll just get ready. Now this guy heading down the hallway, he actually let me test a couple of the fire alarms at the end, so you'll see that in just a second. What?
No, just go ahead, pull it.
That was so cool. Thank you.
No problem.